ASML 调查局，今天呢，我们要来看看是不是只有英文能力好才能进到外商公司呢？走。
毕竟是外商嘛，所以应该要有一点语文的能力。
外语要很强。
如果是外商，可能还是要一些英文的对话。
沟通嘛，沟通协调。
可以跟外国人就是流利的对谈，所以可能起码要考900吧。
那你自己觉得你的英文如何？
英文应该还可以吧 ？Hi, I'm Ed, and I'm working for 可以讲吗
My name is Yuka。
看来大家都觉得英文一定要超级好才能到外商公司上班，我偏偏不信邪。今天我接了2个任务，就要来荷兰起家、全球最大的半导体设备商 ASML 它的新竹办公室实测破英文，到底能不能在这里沟通？我今天的第一个任务就是要参加英文会议，我实在是不知道我的破英文能不能听得懂啊。Hi.
Hi.
I'm Han, and nice to meet you.
Okay. Thank you, Steve. Good afternoon, everyone. As usual, before we start our weekly meeting, I would like to spend 15 minutes to invite all of you guys to share your highlight knowledge.
Last week I got the 2 cats and they are still trying to fit in my house. But I think 1 week from now they are getting better now.
I just received 1 puppy. I also had 1 cat already. Really good to see them, play with each other. Very chill, very happy.
Work has been very, very busy, so I decided to go to Yaomingshan for a hike, and then start raining afterwards. But it's always good after the nature adventure.
So, how about you?
This is my first English conference. I've been a little bit nervous, and low light. My time right now. English speaking is killing me. Okay.
No worries. We will make sure to take care of you and to make you could catch up the progress. So let's start our meeting. Okay, thanks for your time. Feel free to let me know if you have further questions. Thank you.
Cool. Good day. Bye.
顺利完成第一个任务 ，ASML 还有很多的外国同事。我今天还有一个任务，就是要跟他们对到话，到处看看。
Hi. I've never seen you before. Are you the newcomer?
Yes, I'm new here.
Oh, Liho. My name is João. Nice to meet you. Do you need help with the coffee?
Yes, please. I don't know how to use it.
So this is our pantry room. You can have your tea here, your coffee.
It's really chill.
Yeah, it's pretty chill. So yeah, we have the time to catch up, and yeah, it's okay area.
Thank you.
No worries.
嗨，今天的体验都还顺利吗？
今天意外的顺利耶，就我原本对自己英文口说没有太有信心，但大家都人很好，然后也很鼓励我。
哦，很棒，真代表大家应该没有为难你。其实就像你看到的，我们光在台湾的 ASML 其实就有来自于28个不同国家的同仁，所以这代表大家其实平常用英文互动，也会非常耐心的其实去倾听。
难怪大家对我这么有耐心。
一定的。那我们再多看看吧。
任务顺利完成，看来来到 ASML 英文呢不用很完美。入职之后，他们也会有培训课程，而且非常鼓励大家进修。最重要的是，同事们也都很乐于交流，所以重点就是要敢沟通、敢表达。我们 ASML 调查局，下次见。